Welcome back, gentlemen. Here we are with the onboard Zeus Pro with the 165 Meepo tubeless future tires. Same spot, same standing bear lake. Today's range test. And if I look like I was in the last video, same hoodie engine, whatever, it's the same day. So we're running the range test today too. So let's get this going. Without further ado, I'll check in every bar till I get down to where it says 10%, whatever, and then we'll just kind of do it math-wise. I have a feeling we're gonna lose a lot of range. I'm pretty sure with the 120s, if I remember correctly, it was 36, 38 miles on a full charge. I'm guessing this is gonna get about 25, maybe less. Who knows? We'll see. Let's go. Okay. Check-in number one on the range test, 5.5 miles. I lost a bar. Holy crap. I'm pretty sure with the 120 cloud wheels, it was about 12 or 13 miles before I lost a bar. So less than half. Wow. That's impressive. Not. And like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't think this is gonna get more than 25, honestly. I don't. Just for the fact that the wheels are so much bigger. I mean, percentage-wise, I don't know what it is. I'll put it on the screen. Percentage-wise, difference between the 120s and these. Percentage-wise, but it's gonna hurt the range. I'm pretty sure it's already gonna hurt the top speed, which is like 30. And normal one was like, I think 38, if I remember correctly. I'm just kind of going off my head. I'll flash it up on the screen if I get it wrong. I'm guessing less than 25 on this, so let's ride, see what we get. Went off the trail a little bit, just to kind of extend things, new views, this, that, and the other. I'm in a neighborhood somewhere near Standing Bear. Just lost second bar, 10.5 miles. So we're getting about 5-ish miles per bar so far. Oh, that is horrible because I only use one bar, usually 12, 13 miles with the 120s. So we're losing a lot. Next check-in. Next bar. I stopped. It's windy as hell out here today. Just lost the third bar, 14.6 miles. So yeah, we're not doing very good. I doubt we're gonna get 25 out of these. Wind's not helping. I can't even record and I have the microphone tucked up underneath here. All right, I'm calling it. Lost another bar and then I got the 10% warning. So we are at, I don't know if it'd be able to see it. I'll just tell you, 19 miles, and let's see what Relive says. All right, Relive results. Remote said 19, Relive said 20 miles. The max speed Relive said was 33 miles per hour, which is not bad. I mean, 33 miles an hour compared to 37, 38, whatever I said I did before. That's not bad. Mileage-wise, holy hell. Because even if you take the low end of the test from the 120 cloud, which was like 36 and change, this is 20. Relive says 20. Percentage-wise, what is that? Like 40-some percent? Put that there as well. That's crazy. That's a huge loss. Huge. So yeah, that's it. That's the range test. Can't believe we only got 20 miles out of that. So take with that what you will. If you got any value out of this video, if I helped you decide whether you're going to buy them or not, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, tell your friends about it, share the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.